If you ever have fog or smoke, well, you can bring out the detail in that. What you can do, I'll zoom in here. What you can do is come up here to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask, and what you can do is increase the radius and then turn up the amount of sharpening. Look at that. You don't want to go too high, but just, you know. There you go. You can see this is what it was before, which is a little bit soft, so I can add a little bit more detail in that by using the Unsharp Mask. Wow, that's looking pretty hot. And let's just zoom into this and take a look at it. Go full screen. And I'll hit Tab on the keyboard to make our palettes go away. And there is our montage. Beautiful. You can do this with so many things. This is just one image that I've created using the techniques. We've made images, or we've made objects farther away than some, and we've blurred those to make it look like they're placed farther back. We've added fog, we've created smoke, ripples in water, shadows, and so go ahead and have fun with that. And if you do create any spectacular images or something that you think that looks cool, go ahead and send it to me. I'd love to check it out. And I apologize for my scratchy voice, because I think I've done so many videos that I'm losing my voice, but bear with me, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.